Hi, I'm Stephen from Denovo. In this video we'll walk through how to generate a document from template using the document production feature. The topics covered in this video will be document creation according to context, template section, how to access your recently used, searching for templates, adding some event details, and how you would then create a follow-up following the production of a document. Going into a matter, you'll see we have the document production icon on the main menu bar. So selecting that will bring up the document production wizard. That will allow us to make some options as to who we will want to write to in this instance. You can choose link companies or addresses or other people. Most of the time you will default to creating one for the selected matter. Now you have some options. So you're able to look at the folder structure in caseload, which has your templates configured in here. So if they are sorted by folder, you're able to select one associated with the work type. You'll see that's built up all my convenience and purchase options. Your most recently used do show just below that as a drop down, so the ones that you're in and using most will show there, so you're able to pick ones from there as well if that's where you're going to work from. If we were to pick one from our list, you see we can double click on that icon. If you've made an error at any stage and you're looking to select a different document, you can go back. So there is the option to move back to the previous menu window. If you're happy with that, it should default to an event type and subtype for us, and the summary will be the letter template name. This can be edited, so if you're looking to change that to something more appropriate, say letter out to client or something that you would want to personalize it with, you can do so in the summary tab here as well. The details tab can be a preview of the email going to the client, or there can be a file note added here to give details as to what's attached in the letter. You do have the option to create a follow-up from here as well, so if you're looking to create a planned follow-up event following this letter being sent out, you can do that in here. So we'll just edit the summary and we'll say we're going to follow up on the 11th of September for this one. So now that those have all been created, it's defaulted to myself as the user for the follow-up event. If you wanted to assign that to someone else within the organisation, you can do that from the drop-down, or you can leave it as yourself. Clicking on next, the default is to do nothing and just create the document, and that's going to open up Word to allow us to edit the document that we've just selected to be created. So now that's opened on screen, we can make any changes and additions, and we can print the document as required or save it to the event. When you've made any changes to that, if you just click on close that down, we now look at the events view. We have the letter that we've just created, so that's now shown in the preview panel, and we've also got the planned event for a week's time to follow up on that following that's what we created at the end of that. So very short, quick introduction into document production in Caseload.